Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can attack someone on Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure your account is logged in, and then you will be redirected to the home page of the app where the actual game is played. Now start playing the game by rolling the dice. Try to land on any railway stations. And after you land on one, you can see that I've been brought to the shutdown area. In this, we close buildings of another person. Now to target or attack someone, just tap on the change opponent button below and then select the preferred person. After that, try to shut down, and that's it. This is how you can attack someone on Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.